Well, as you guys can see, I'm in a new office. So, bit of an update. I moved recently, and so as you could hear with the terrible echo in here, I just set up my office and moved here about 2 weeks ago. So I thought I'd talk about my new smart office, I suppose. So as you can see with the intro, you can definitely see that I have smart lights everywhere. I think smart lights definitely make things a little easier. I also have a new background, or similar background as you can see. And I also have a light, monitor. I guess you could say it's an easier setup and studio than what I usually had. So let's kind of showcase the highlights of what this smart office is and why it's going to make these films and shows a little bit better. All right, well, as you can see, let's start with the smart desk, or fully standing desk, I suppose. So I have this fully 72 inch, I believe. And the reason I wanted a larger standing desk was mainly for two reasons. I wanted to, well, not have two setups, I guess you could say. I didn't want to have one for my work computer, which is over here, and I didn't want to have a separate one for my personal computer over here. So I went with the larger 72 inch. I like it because this one, you can actually program different sizes or different heights of the table. Also let me censor this because as you can see, I recently moved and it's kind of a nightmare here. So anyway, the other main reason is just like, I've been reading a lot on health and nutrition, and one of the worst things you could do for your health is actually sitting all day. So if anyone out there is, sitting all day at a computer like I do, might want to invest the money and get one of these standing desks. So don't worry, I'm not sponsored, but hey, fully, if you guys are out there and watching this video, shoot me a message and we could work something out. Yeah, so standing desk. Let's kind of go through the rest of the room and what I'm really excited about. Okay, so for those who don't know, I actually run a small media company and do kind of small commercials for small businesses and kind of help with their media presence, if you will. And for anyone who runs photography, media company, they always know that having your gear organized is a lifesaver. So what I really like about this is, voila, as you can see, it's all sound gear and a little bit of rigging stuff that I got here. So I'm probably going to be organizing and moving all this, but I love that I have my smart hub here for Google. So I can control the lights here for the house and everything. It's really nice. And over here, as you can see, this shelf is mainly going to be for all my camera gear. So this is mainly going to be for lenses, other kind of little accessories, the rigging and everything. And of course some tools and other things that people use for, like photography and whatnot. So I have all that here. And so as you can see over here, there's just some books, mostly inspirational books that I like to read or have read. So we got philosophy, we got some photography stuff, some fiction, some other interesting non-fiction books and whatnot. And this is really the aim of this office, was to make it really cozy, just so I could always want to work, if you will. Made it very easy to set up. As you can see, the setup over here. As you can see, the office is still a work in progress, but it's coming together. I think it's really nice. And this is kind of the main idea of this video, is that having an office or a separate room to focus on for work and creativity really helps you out, because it kind of always constantly puts you in that mindset of, oh, okay, here's where I'm going to be doing work. Here's where I'm going to be creating. And that's really the goal of this office, is I just wanted somewhere cozy and inspiring for me to kind of just always be ready to work. And I think I achieved that. Still got to organize a few things, maybe move things around, but yeah, I think this smart office, this my creative space is really going to help me pump out more content. So vloggy sort of photography stuff interests you, subscribe, love to have you here. More videos to come. I got a couple in the pipeline, but yeah, here's the office setup. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know in the comments, what kind of setup do you guys have? Do you have like a spare room that you guys use? A separate office? I'm curious, what do you guys use? I don't know, let me know in the comments. Till next time, talk to you guys later.